Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft 365 uh, Admin Center. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to access your Admin Center. And to do so, you would be needing like to go to the Office website and basically you will go to the Office. And after that, you will be needing to sign in. In my case, I'm not an administrator, but you will be able to sign in and you will have the same view as mine. So you will be able to sign into your account and you will need just to click on next. And basically on the applications that you have on the Office, you will be finding the admin application. And from there, you can get to the admin panel. So basically here in the applications, you will be able to find your admin panel. And from there, you can start like using the admin center from here. So basically there are many features that you can use. So basically here, if we go, there are like some features and settings that you can use. There is the home, which is the landing page where you will see how to manage user, billing services, and health and reports and everything. Copilot with that would manage everything related to Copilot, which is the AI used in Microsoft. And here you can use check the users, terms in the group, so you can create and manage groups in your organization. For example, developments, finance, or whatever, like the groups of users, etc. And of course, you can give these roles to these groups, etc. So you can give each one like the roles that he needs, like for an organized uh, architecture or for an organized like flow, etc. And of course, you can also start like managing your resources by uh, like SharePoint site collection with to like sharing the documents and all the reports and stuff. And there are many other things that you can use on the admin center. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.